In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a rear outer taillight on a Grand Cherokee. So we're going to do the driver's side rear taillight. The procedure is exact same for the passenger side. So with a pair of trim tools or 2 flathead screwdrivers or even a needle nose, you got to pull on this tab. It's a body clip. Pull it out like that. There's 2 of them. Set them aside. And now you're going to grab the taillight. I use a plastic body trim tool. You're looking to pop these 2 tabs right here out of the body clips. Just like that. And I'm going to remove that red tab, push it back. Now you can see the tab, push down on it, pull that connector out. To easy access this, I'm just going to turn the bulb out and get it out of the way. Now you can see there's a little black tab, lock tab. Push that out, then push down on that gray tab and disconnect that. So your new tail light is set up this way. It's got your 2 mounting tabs, but it also comes with an additional plastic mounting tab that is located here in that steel body. Now there is a pin underneath the bumper, but if yours is not broken, you can discard this just by pulling it off, setting it aside, and we can reuse that old one. So a little secret, like tech tip, I'm going to take both sockets out, set the lamp aside. It's easier to push these in and lock them. Do the same to the gray one. This is the reverse light. Push it down, lock tab in. Now we can just spin them into place. Now we're going to line up the 2 back tabs on that plastic, and this is going right on the plastic also. Once you feel like you're in place, looks pretty good, push it in, and it's seated. Now we're going to take our mounting tabs, place them in place. I don't like to lock them down till they're all in their little comfy spot. Now you can push them down. Just need to use your thumb. There you go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.